TH400 transmission, fluid change, gasket change.
What?
Everywhere I go, I stroll around and
Cutting up cardboard. What? So we don't make a mess.
He wants me to sit on a pizza box. Look, come here. Okay, it's a really big grill box.
This. That is our transmission pan gasket.
Duralast automatic transmission filter, high performance, nitrile gasket for superior fit and seal capacity.
Why do you even ask me that?
Designed to remove harmful contaminants for longer transmission life. Meets or exceeds OEM requirements for fit and function. What's an OEM?
OEM is original equipment manufacturer.
I thought it was a band from the 80s. So you're saying this is gonna get sloppy?
Just a little bit. Because guess what? They made the original drain pan without a plug.
Are you serious? Why did they do that? So back in 1965, they didn't know that a hole lets liquid out? Bag shark! Aha! Dun, 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 look. Dun, 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 dun. See?
Yeah. So,
Where is the pan? Oh, it's way the hell in the middle. Why am I going from the front? Are we ready for this? You sure? I can't reach from here. Go, gadget arms! Wouldn't it be amazing to have super stretch arms? What you got over there? Oh, did you pull out the tool?
oh god.
I'm coming! I'm the two apart! Which ones are we using?
So,
Can we just dump this whole thing? Play with them? Is our exhaust supposed to be falling like that?
no. So we have 13 of these bad mamma jammas over here.
13 we have 13 volts. What size do you need? I got you!
Let's do a 9/16. This is something I probably should have researched before we did this.
Get out of here! I'm doing my business! That's a 9/16 right there. I had it the whole time.
There it is, ½ inch.
Golden!
Oh, would you look at that? Oh wow, these were super loose.
Uh-oh.
That's another reason why it's been leaking so bad.
Wait, so are you sure you overfilled it and it wasn't?
Oh yeah, I checked the dipstick. It was super overfilled.
You check the dipstick without me?
Sorry.
Well, I thought we were a team.
Come up from the side. Come on, come from over here.
That's why I keep trying to come down.
Yeah, look at that. It's not even, it's just like one.
Oh, it's dirty up here.
Yeah,
Do I get to clean it?
if you want to. But I'm gonna just loosen up.
Front bits?
Yeah, I'm gonna take these off. So once we start seeing fluid dripping,
Does that include blood and tears?
the blood's gonna be for you, the tears are gonna be for me.
That's usually how it goes.
Yeah. So my dumbass decided to overfill it because it was bone dry. Forgot that there was still an extra.
Forgot that it mattered.
Yeah, and I checked the oil when it was still cold.
Whoopsie.
Oh, I got some fluid breakage.
Where?
Right
Show
here.
me.
Right here.
It dripped?
Yep.
That looks like blood.
Yeah, transmission fluid's red.
red?
Yeah.
That's creepy.
So let's do these two.
It looks
here.
like strawberry syrup for a sundae.
13 volts, ½ inch socket. Ooh, dirt in the eyes.
All mandatory for the job.
Yes.
I got grease.
Look at mine.
I got grease and like rat hair and whatever else is under the truck.
Yeah, these are so loose. All right, so there's that. It's already loosened for you. So just do a couple where you know you can get your hand on there and just hand loosen it because this thing.
Oh wow, this is really.
Yeah.
That should have been a lot.
Don't take it all the way out.
Okay, that.
These
That for
are.
real took nothing.
It shouldn't be that loose.
Are we supposed to be wearing gloves and masks and stuff?
Masks. I mean, if you want gloves, yeah, maybe. We need to get you some. I've been trying to find you some. You have such small damn hands.
Okay, yeah. Complaint to the industry. Every time I go to find gloves, they only come in large and extra large.
I found a medium.
I have the tiniest hands in the world. My hands stopped growing when I was like 7. So, can someone please make like extra small gloves? That look cool. Oh, it's dripping on my hands.
That's what you wanted.
I did.
I can only imagine how shitty this gasket's gonna be. And the filter. This is what happens when you buy second hand or third hand or
You
fourth
just
hand.
never know what you're gonna get.
You never know what you're gonna get. Oh. It's yeah, that's the one we wanted right
She's
there.
making a huge mess. This one's coming out.
Alright, yeah.
Here she comes! Okay, that was anticlimactic, but she's dripping harder.
That's what she said.
You got the net! What happens if I gotta pee?
Do you really have to pee right now?
You got the truth?
Nothing but the truth.
Maybe it's just the sound of all the drips that's making me have to go. Oh, you struck some oil! That's really pretty. Maybe we got the majority of it out.
Yeah, we're gonna drop her now.
Well, we knew it was gonna be messy, but it's not out yet. This is the stupidest design of anything ever. It would have been a good day for a ponytail, just saying.
Well, then do it.
Yeah, it's a little late for that.
This is our last one. So watch your eyes.
How do I watch my eyes? Yeah!
So we're gonna let this drip a little bit.
Okay, what do we do now?
This is our pan. You know how some of these filters that go in the Teachable 100, some have bolts that are in to hold them in place? Others don't. Well, guess what? This one actually had a fucking bolt in it. Right here. Hi, little friend.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, we have to drop that now. Oh my god. Nope, not even tight.
It's ribbed.
Yeah, rib. Is it for your pleasure though? Okay,
think so.
that dirt that's on your fingers looks great.
Looks great. Weirdo.
All right, so we're gonna slowly pull that one out. That's the underside of a transmission.
That's pretty cool.
You're pretty cool. Well, let's go wipe our hands down and clean out that pan.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this then.
All right.
I got it under my nails.
So this is a magnet right here.
This is?
So with this magnet in here, so when you know, little metal shavings or anything, it collects it so it doesn't get
That's so
in the
smart.
transmission. Yeah,
Okay, so in a really dumb design, they did something really smart.
pretty much, yeah. Look at that. Not where my finger is, but
So
look
it's
at
not
this.
supposed to have a line of shit on it?
No. And it should not be this thin.
It's like playing with one of those magnetic sand things.
Where's the magnet? Do you see any of the metal shavings?
Yeah, I can feel them. There's like a lot of shards on here, but it's pretty cool because they're magnetic. Can't we clean it with brake cleaner or something?
Yeah, we can. We have a workstation.
Yay! That actually makes it a lot easier. So now I just wipe it down with...
So get another layer of brake cleaner in there on the inside, because we want. This is. Yeah, try to get all that clean enough.
Well,
Again, this is both of our first times here. Oh wait, actually, let's mosey to where all the bolts are.
can I put the screws in and put this in?
We call those bolts
Sorry?
back in our hood.
Can I put these in?
Yeah, we should wipe them down.
This goes on to the little
Like that?
scuba gear, just like so.
Is it in there pretty good?
Yep. I think they call this little nozzle a snorkel.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it snorkeling? Is it sealed though?
Do you see any fish? It's so windy, I had to pull my hair back. This whole thing is just held on by one little bolt.
Yep.
Easy.
You don't want it too tight. It's not really necessary.
But we definitely need it tighter than the bolts that were on there before.
Oh my god, that was ridiculous. Alright, let's grab that pan.
This one? This pretty little thing I just made? Oh, wait, hold on. She got all kinds of dirt in there.
Alright, yeah, make sure there's nothing in there.
So because this is just a drip pan, why does it matter if it's dirty?
Because it recycles back to in the transmission. Just get them hands tight. Look at you, look like a little badass over there.
This is fun. So because there's so many of these, do we have to go around and like do them all a little bit at a little bit?
Yeah, once we get them all hand tight, we're gonna go and we're gonna crisscross each and every one, kind of like what you would do on a tire, or when we put the wheel on.
Yeah, okay.
Because we don't want to over torque one or. My hands are all so greasy again.
Yeah.
Okay. Slower.
Oh my god, stop.
And the best part about these old, just domestic American pickup trucks, there's like 4 sizes you really need. That's it.
Hi.
Hi, gorgeous girl.
Wanna be around, man.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think we are pan ready. All right, let's get a funnel and put the what's this stuff called again? Transmission fluid in.
They definitely did not make these things for tiny people.
There you go. Now grab this.
It's really long. That's what she said. Wow, it's really long. Okay.
All right, so
what
wipe
am
it
I
off.
looking
We're
for?
not even looking at anything yet.
I'm not looking at it.
Nope.
Are you supposed to check this when it's hot or cold?
There's nothing in there.
Right.
There.
Don't turn it on yet. There's no actual transmission fluid in there.
Every morning, the
None of
sun
that
returns
falls
to brighten away the powers
in there.
of darkness.
Do we have a funnel?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Where'd it go?
Hey,
We're gonna pour half in, and we're gonna put the other good.
where did you fuck it up last time?
It said it was bone dry, and I was wrong.
So,
That's
do we
why-
put half in and then decide?
That's exactly what I just said.
So that was my idea. We're gonna put half in and then we'll decide. Come on. Where do I put it? It goes right in the same hole?
Yeah.
Oh. It's in a really bad spot. And the wind is horrible. Watch it, I'll just fall back onto the driveway. There's transmission fluid in it now.
I would prefer not.
What happens if you run on too low?
Just as dangerous as too much.
So it looks like right there.
No.
Okay, no, not. That's where the red is. Right there. It stops right there.
Yeah, but that's a partial.
Yeah.
How thick and covered that is? We want that thick and covered. It's about halfway.
To full hot?
You don't want to go full hot.
I want to go full hot. Oh, now I see the difference.
Yep.
So it's just about to the arrow now.
Almost. Do it one more time.
Why don't we leave it? We fucked it up last time. No.
Follow the Rebuild of Blue on Adventures with Carol.
Do what she said.
Get out of here.